Hey Caliber8 Tools Family, welcome back. Now in today's video, I'm going to do a minor welding repair on a metal frame, okay? Because welding is one of those skills that you will never regret acquiring. By the way, hit the like and subscribe button if you find any value in this content. Stay tuned. Hey family, how you doing today? I'm going to do a little TIG welding for you today. I'm going to repair this metal frame here. It's cracked right here, as you can see. Okay, and this is aluminum. All right, so I'm going to TIG weld that crack right there. But the first thing that you got to do when you start TIG welding is you got to clean your material, because any kind of contaminants, dirt, rust, oxidation can really mess up your weld beads. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that. I cleaned it a little bit before, but I'm gonna clean it again. What you can use to clean it, you can actually use a steel wire brush to scrub off the area that you're gonna weld. That helps to get a lot of the crud and contaminants, oxidation off of there as well. And you can also use something like a simple green cleaning formula to spray it on there and wipe it off as well. So I'm going to run a bead down this crack here, and I'm also going to run one up this fissure here as well, okay? Okay, so we're going to use an aluminum filler rod, and that's what I have in my hand right here. And if you can see the numbers on the rod, it says 5356, which is a type of aluminum rod. They have different types that you can use when you're TIG welding. This is a 5356. For regular aluminum. They also have stainless steel rods. They also have rods for steel, and you can do your research on those. Here's a steel filler rod. It's a different color. It's kind of brownish compared to the aluminum. See the difference? Here's our TIG torch, but we need to put the tungsten inside of it. So this is our tungsten right here. It's brand new, needs to be sharpened. So we're gonna sharpen it on our mini belt grinder. Another way you can sharpen your tungsten is by putting your tungsten in a drill. That looks good. Now that was just an example of the TIG welding process, but they have other processes like MIG welding, flux core welding, stick welding, etc. guys. So if you want to do your research and find out all about welding, go ahead and check it out. And don't forget to check out the other welding videos on this channel. Hey guys, see you next time.